and you're back with me. So 6 months of traveling down, and I noticed I have never made a packing video. Seeing as though I'm about to be in Vietnam tomorrow, this is going to be a packing video. Let's get it started. So the bag I'm using, 80-liter Newlander. I may get a new one because I want some straps right here in order to hang stuff on. But this one, pretty valid. I haven't gone very far with it, but we'll see how it does for Vietnam. But bags are cheap there, so I may just get a new one. We got 2 pairs of pants. I actually have 1 more pair, but I'm wearing that to leave tomorrow. So 2 pairs of pants going to the bottom. Next, we have our jackets. 3. Next, we got 2 pairs of gym shorts, 2 pairs of workout shorts, or 2 pairs of swimming trunks and 2 pairs of workout shorts. Yeah, we're raw dogging it, no packing cubes. At least not yet. I'll probably look into them. Okay, so now we got 3 workout shirts and a pair of sleeping shorts. Okay, now 5 collared t-shirts, or 5 collared shirts. It looks like I might want those packing cubes. Alright, next, one of my 2 pairs of shorts, these and these. There's that. And 3 miscellaneous, just hang out shirts, cozy shirts. Next, 7 pairs of underwear, 6 pairs of socks. Gotta protect the hair, so the shower cap and the bonnet. Just gonna slide these in the front. Next is the towel and toiletries. So I usually put my towel in half a long way at first, and then since you know there's liquid in this, you never know what could happen. I just roll it up. Roll it up and lay it down. Upright. Alright, I believe that's everything for the top and side. So I'm going to tighten this up. Not too tight, because we're going to hit one of these numbers. Now this is when I unzip the bottom. And I'm going to put my dirty clothes bag and my shoes. Just did laundry. Don't like traveling with smelly ass clothes, especially gym clothes. And then with my shoes, I just have a big plastic bag. Put them both in here. I'm only traveling with a pair of workout shoes, a pair of all black shoes, and a pair of Birkenstocks. Okay, let's flip this back over, see how much room we actually have. plenty of room to still build up here if I needed anything, you know. Okay, now let's finish the interior. We got this to fill up now. Okay, we got 2 business sunglasses, 1 pair of subscription. Put those in there. Got eye cover, face mask, eye pillow, I don't even know what to call it, jewelry, and hair bands, hair ties, cologne, and my belt. Okay, now we got this little Nike crossbody. Gonna put passport, wallet, AirPods. I usually wear this while I'm traveling, but for video purposes, we can put it in this top one. The most accessible pocket, quickest to reach. Okay. Condoms. Gotta stay safe out there, boys. And ladies too. Make sure old man is wearing a condom. If he's not, your husband, if that's not your wife, don't be raw dogging. Now let's get in the outdoor of the bag, the outside of the bag. Water system. So going out camping, don't have any clean water. Necessity. We got big poncho. Got like a big tarp that you put under your tent. Umbrella. Carabiners. Doesn't matter if you're camping or not. These may and should be very useful one time or another during your travel. A little sleep pad for camping. Tent. 2-person tent. Desert Fox. Tent gear is on there. Always make sure you bring locks. You never know when you might need it, especially if you stop, stay in a hostel, things like that. So I'm just gonna put these in the waist strap. Yeah, I think that's done for this bag. Feels good, nice and snug. I love backpacks. Fun fact about me, I kind of collect them. It's the only thing I ever really collected. An expensive habit, or expensive collection, thing to like, hobby, whatever. But yeah, this feels good. Open trail. You get me? Oh shit. Is that a bear? Look at that. Tactical. Stay hydrated. But yeah, I think this is good for this bag. On to the second bag. Alright, we're on to the next bag. I don't remember how many liters, maybe like 28. But Baboon to the Moon bag, regular backpack. Let's start with the camera. Fujifilm X-T4. That noise you hear is just like lens caps. I'll throw my adapters and battery chargers for my cameras in here. These are the actual batteries in here. And then I will also put the cords. I'll also put my DJI microphones in here. These are Razer hair care. This can go in here. I wasn't sure if I was gonna travel with this hair dryer. Since I have locks, I'll have to retwist my own hair at times. And I have to dry it right after or it can get moldy. So there's that. Clips for my hair. This is like holding gel. I better hold the liquid in here. Let's see. Throw that on the side. Yeah, side works just fine. Holding gel, brush. Tripod. The other tripod is being used by the GoPro. And then in this handy dandy pocket, I'm gonna put this one, yeah. So the power adapter, or the power bank, my hard drive, external hard drive, all my different SD cards. SD card adapter. More cords for the camera. And then this is where I'll put my phone cord in case I need to charge it as I travel. That should be good for that part. And then this is just earphones with cords, old school. Just in case my AirPods die. Cards, cause you know, we like being competitive. Papers in case we come across, you know, Lord's lettuce. A spare pair of earphones. Up top, we got another condom, boys. Wrap it up, wrap it up. We got dog tags. Just in case I go missing, people can know who I am. Or find me somewhere, know who I am. Oh yeah, lighter goes in here. And also a lock for this bag. Try to keep a lock in every bag I travel with. Just in case I end up leaving one bag somewhere and I still want to be able to secure my bag. A Kindle, thank goodness I have this, keeping me sane as I travel and expanding my mind with these books. Then the laptop. And the journal. Hey, so this is the baboon to the Moonington. And all this is going in my sexy but small 40-liter Deuter bag. I keep this Deuter bag, one, because I paid, oh, this is all tight, that's why. I paid almost $300 for it. And also, I just really love the bag. 2 hats, you know, go to Arc'teryx in Colombia. Okay, that looks like my haul. Let's try it on. Now this right here, this how you backpack. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'm gonna try to get more interesting content for y'all, a lot more outdoorsy and hiking content. But we'll see what the future holds. I appreciate everyone that supported me so far. I'll see y'all. Peace.